accidentally hit the stop button while I was recording this, and I don't know how to put videos together. So I'm going to add this as a part 2. Sorry about that cord. And all I wanted to show you was that I'm going to ground this pot onto the bottom of the board here. So we're going to go in with our cadmium red and wet my brush again. Make sure that I'm in focus. That's my wire. And I'm just going to go across. I was going to use the filbert brush, and I just got upset from realizing that I turned off the camera. But that's life, you know? So I will add this to the bottom. And then I think what I'll do is put some pen in here. And I apologize for that, but you know, I'm not technically that good. So let's finish this off. So we're just going to go and do some lines like that. And then what I want to do is go up to these leaves and just looking at this, I want to go around like this. And I want to go over these leaves where I added the gold and just maybe outline it some areas a little bit more. And then we'll pull the tape off and see how this came out. I am so angry at myself. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this has to go like that. And then I used a finer pen. I think I used, what was this? This was 1. Let's see, the Stettler, my view, yes. So, it's not really making a big difference. A little bit. Yeah, that's better. So, I am going to have to learn how to put videos together. I'm not good with technology. There. That's better. Actually, no, it's not. I have to go over these. Bring them out. There we go, like that. And go over these. So I want to thank you for being patient with me. This is not the first time I've tried to do this video. Last night I did it twice, and a friend of mine that I've been trying to get in touch with from Nebraska finally called me back. I've been really worried about him. He's not feeling well. And I knew something was wrong when I hadn't heard back from him. And he did call me last night while I was doing a video. Oh, good God. Okay, that's life, you know. Life is not perfect. And you just have to sometimes go with it, you know, how it happens. So let's move these things over. And the big reveal. So this is our little video for today. I'll move this stuff out of the way. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by if you're new. And, you know, I do a lot of different things. You can check out my, my lists, you know, journals and stuff like that, as well as right now I'm super into watercolor painting. So with that, I hope you have a great day. And thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you again on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.